of abacus. Yeah, in this one is having vertical line. How many lines are there? Counting. How many lines? They count 1, 2, 3. Counting. Tell me how many? 13. They called as rods. 13 rods used to make it. And inside this one, these are the beads. Yeah, these are called beads. In these beads, yeah, down, so niche wale, down, they are single letter. That is like a 1 to 4. 1 to 4 numbers. We can count as 1 to 4. And again, uproad, even up beads. We have to count as 5. Each one is 5. Then again, actually here, if you count like this, from here, 1. Make it like this, with the right hand, 1. Okay, 2, 3, 4, again 5. Then again, what you have to do for 6? 6 means 5 up, 1 up. It is called 6. So it is 6. Then 7, 8, 9. 9. Okay, 1 rod consists of 9. By like a unit digits are there, no? Units value. कहाँ से शुरू होता? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is there. हाँ, ये thumb finger. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. ये like this here also. Okay. Then again, next part. If you are making, we have the other hand is there. Right hand. It is 10. Okay.